Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Assalamualaikum guys, this is Rafshan Azif and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video I am very excited to review the one and only iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. So I hope you will enjoy my video, and if you enjoy my review, so kindly subscribe my channel Crazy Information Technology, because when you subscribe our channel you will be connected with the latest technology updates. So in this video I will explain its all specification, its all feature in the detail, and a brief talk about the two phones of iPhones. So please keep watching this video till end and let the review begin. So here is the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. So first of all I would show to its official banner. Its highlight is welcome to the big screen, iPhone XS. So first of all I would show you its overall specification, and then I will review it in detail. So as you can see, it runs with the iOS Apple A12 Bionic chipset, and the CPU is hexa-core, and it comes with the RAM 4GB RAM, so it's great. So now come to its camera. It has dual 12 megapixel main camera with 7MP selfie camera, and its battery is non-removable Li-ion battery, so it's great. So now come to the display. iPhone XS Max has 6.5 inch display and iPhone XS has 5.8 display. So now come to its display features. Super Retina custom OLED display, and resolution is 2688 multiplied by 1242 resolution, which is great, and pixel per inch is 458, which is both of the same. And the iPhone XS resolution is little bit smaller, 2436 multiplied by 1225 as its resolution. Let's talk about its design. It has exceptional materials, the most durable glass ever in a smartphone, a beautiful new gold finish achieved with an automatic level process, precision machined surgical grade stainless steel bands, and a new level of water and dust resistance, so it's great. So now have a look on its design highlights and its design. It has surgical grade stainless design, wireless charging, PVD color process, so it's amazing, and the glass design of this mobile is just great. So have a look on its glass design. As you can see, it is a mud resistant and water resistant also, so it's great. As you can see, the glass is looking crazy. So now talk about its advanced Face ID. Security is as simple when your face is your password, so it's great. You can unlock your iPhone, log in to apps, and pay for things with a glass, so it's amazing. It's the most secure facial authentication ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster, so it's great. So as you can see on your screen, adaptive recognition, Face ID user, advanced machine learning recognize charge in your appearance, wear a hard put on glass, so it's great. So I hope you enjoy the Face ID recognition. So now come to its A12 Bionic chipset, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone is its highlight, so it's amazing. So let's talk about its chipset. Intelligent A12 Bionic, this is the smartphone most powerful chip in a smartphone, with our next generation New York engine for amazing augmented reality experience and incredible portraits with depth control and speed and fluidity in everything you do, so it's great. So have a look on its A12 Bionic chipset. 50% faster graphic performance, 15% faster performance of cons, 50% lower power usage in efficiency corners, so it's amazing, and advanced performance controller, so it's great. Image single processor, so amazing. So let's talk about its dual camera system. Say hello to a new era of photography. It is its highlight and it's amazing. So first of all I would show you some its pictures, and then I will talk about its camera specification. So as you can see, the pictures of this mobile is just amazing. The smart HDR feature is great. So now have a look on its bokeh and depth control is amazing. So Breakthrough dual camera system, the world's most powerful camera in defining a new era of photography when an innovative sensor works with the ISP and neural engine to help you create photos like never before. So now come to its dual 12 megapixel real camera with aperture f1.8 with wide angle lens, and other is aperture f2.4 with telephoto lens, and portrait mode with depth control, and also even you can record a video in 4K, so it's amazing, and up to 60 fps. So let's talk about its faster downloading. iPhone XS delivers a class LTI for a super fast download speed and up to 512 GB of storage, making this our highest capacity iPhone yet. So have a look on its colors: gold, space gray, and silver. Silver is its color. So let's talk about its external buttons and connectors. On the top of your mobile you can get a volume up down button, ring silent side button, built-in stereo speaker, and built-in microphone. And the bottom of your mobile you can get a lighting connector, built-in microphone, and built-in stereo speaker, so it's amazing. So now have a look on its built-in apps: camera, photos, health, message, phone, FaceTime, find my friend, find my device, tips, watch, files, weather. Different apps are in it, so you can see on your screen: compass, books, home, calendar, map. Different apps are available in it. So I again say please subscribe my channel if you did not. So now talk about its what you can find in the box: iPhone with iOS 12, AirPods with lighting connector, lighting to USB cable, USB power adapter, and amazing. So you can find these things in the box. So now talk about its dimension and weight. The weight of the mobile iPhone XS is 177 gram and iPhone XS Max has 208 grams. So it's great. The height of both are not same. The XS has 6.65 inch and the XS Max has 6.28. So it's great. The depth of both mobile are same, 0.30 inch and 0.30 inch. So it's great. So let's talk about its price, which is most expensive mobile ever. It comes with 1150 euros, so it's the most expensive mobile, but the specification of this mobile is awesome. So as you can see, the picture of this mobile is great. So I want to share some pictures of this mobile for you to know about this mobile. As you can see, the glass, I love the glass, just amazing. The look of its glass is great. The camera of this mobile is amazing. The blurriness, the slow motion is great. So now back to the studio. I hope you enjoy our video, and if you enjoy our video, kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology, because when you subscribe our channel you will be connected with the latest technology updates. So it's ended. We will be right back with new ideas, with new technology. For now, goodbye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.